Hello friends, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that might just revolutionize your daily diet. We're talking about cilantro and the incredible benefits it offers when incorporated into your meals. Stick around because you might be surprised at what this humble herb can do for your health. First things first, what exactly is cilantro? Green, leafy cilantro is a common ingredient in recipes all across the world. Cilantro is a superfood that adds flavor and is full of nutrients that are good for your health. Let's now examine in more detail why cilantro is praised so highly for its nutritious content. Beyond just being delicious, cilantro has a remarkable range of vitamins and minerals that can greatly improve your general health. The first nutrient on the list is vitamin A, which is essential for immune system, skin, and visual health. Because cilantro offers a concentrated form of this vitamin, it's a great complement to help your body meet its daily needs. But that's not all. Cilantro is also rich in vitamin K. This vitamin is essential for proper blood clotting and bone health. Incorporating cilantro into your meals can contribute to your daily intake of vitamin K, supporting strong and healthy bones. Let's now discuss minerals. Potassium, which is important for controlling blood pressure and promoting heart health, is found in abundance in cilantro. Cilantro also includes calcium, which is another essential element for healthy bones. Including cilantro in your meals can increase your daily intake of calcium, which will maintain the health and density of your bones, even though it won't take the place of your glass of milk every day. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system with vitamin A, support bone health with vitamin K and calcium, or maintain a healthy blood pressure with potassium, cilantro has you covered. Let's now explore the intriguing detoxifying qualities that cilantro possesses that set it apart from other plants. Cilantro possesses a special potential to aid in the removal of heavy metals and other contaminants that our bodies are continuously exposed to from the environment. Cilantro contains compounds that have been shown to bind to heavy metals like mercury, lead, and aluminum in the body. These metals can accumulate over time and have detrimental effects on our health. By incorporating cilantro into your diet, you may support the natural process of eliminating these toxic substances. Research suggests that cilantro may play a role in the chelation process, which is a fancy term for binding to and facilitating the removal of heavy metals. This can be particularly important in today's world, where exposure to environmental toxins is unfortunately common. According to a study that was written up in the Journal of Hazardous Materials, cilantro may effectively remove nickel and lead from water. These early results are encouraging, but additional research is required to completely comprehend the breadth of cilantro's detoxifying potential in the human body. It's essential to note that cilantro should be seen as a supportive element in your overall detoxification strategy. It's not a magic cure, and it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional if you have specific concerns about heavy metal exposure or detoxification protocols. Here are some fun and fascinating facts about this special herb. Cilantro has a rich history, with evidence of its use dating back to ancient civilizations. The ancient Egyptians were known to use cilantro for its aromatic properties and even included it in the mummification process. In the language of flowers, cilantro is associated with love and long-lasting affection. So next time you're cooking a romantic dinner, consider adding a sprinkle of cilantro for that extra touch. Believe it or not, cilantro has even made its way into space. Astronauts have cultivated cilantro on the International Space Station, highlighting its adaptability and potential as a space herb. If you like what you've seen thus far, please click the like and subscribe buttons and the bell notification. Thank you for viewing. Inflammation is at the root of many chronic diseases. Cilantro contains anti-inflammatory properties that can help combat inflammation in the body. Adding cilantro to your meals may contribute to reducing the risk of conditions associated with chronic inflammation. Let's talk about digestive health. Digestion aids have long been made with cilantro. By encouraging a healthy gut and maybe resolving digestive problems, it can aid in stimulating the synthesis of digestive enzymes. Cilantro may be the answer you've been searching for if you have trouble with bloating or indigestion. Let's talk about heart health now. Cardiovascular benefits have been associated with cilantro. It can support a healthier heart by regulating blood pressure and lowering cholesterol. Including cilantro in your diet on a regular basis may be an easy yet powerful method to help your heart. There you have it, the incredible benefits of eating cilantro daily. From its rich nutrient profile to its detoxification properties, anti-inflammatory effects, and support for digestive and heart health, Cilantro is a nutritional powerhouse. If you've been overlooking this herb in the grocery store, it might be time to give it a second look. As always, remember to consult with your healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.